In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's performance by efficiently compressing and optimizing images. Keeping your website fast and responsive is crucial not only for providing a good user experience, but also for improving your search engine rankings. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start with compressing your website images. For this task, online tools like TinyPNG or ShortPixel are top recommendations. They are easy to use and remarkably effective in reducing image file sizes without noticeably compromising quality. Simply navigate to one of these websites, select the images you wish to compress, upload them, and let the tool work its magic. Once processed, download your optimized images to your computer. This step is foundational because large image files can significantly slow down your website, and the aim here is to maintain both speed and visual appeal. Moving on, it's time to upload the optimized images to your Hostinger website. Log into your hosting account and access the file manager or the WordPress dashboard. Whichever route you prefer for uploading files, make sure to replace the original images with the optimized versions to ensure the compressed files are the ones being served to your visitors. Doing so helps you maintain consistent quality while also improving load times. Next, we'll tackle lazy loading. This technique ensures that images load only when they come into view as users scroll through your site. By doing so, you significantly reduce the initial load time, leading to a snappier experience for your visitors. To enable lazy loading, you can install a lazy loading plugin if you're using a content management system like WordPress. Alternatively, if your CMS or website builder supports it, you might find lazy loading options in the settings. Enabling this feature can drastically reduce the strain on your server, especially if your web pages are image heavy. Another important optimization step is serving images in modern formats like WebP. These formats offer superior compression without loss of quality compared to traditional formats like JPEG and PNG. Before proceeding, check if your website supports WebP. If it does, consider converting your images to this format and re-uploading them. Many image editing tools and plugins now offer the option to save or convert images as WebP, simplifying this process. Finally, it's vital to test the outcomes of your efforts. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to evaluate how these optimizations have improved your site. Enter your website's URL, run the analysis, and take note of the speed improvements and feedback provided. It's a great way to ensure that your site is performing as expected and identify any further optimization opportunities. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant action to boost your website's performance. Keep in mind, fast websites attract more visitors and lower bounce rates, delivering better experiences and higher engagement. So take the small extra steps to keep optimizing and maintain a high-performing website.